Hello dear students. So today we will discuss question number 2 of construction 11.2 exercise. So let us read the question first. Construct a tangent to a circle of radius 4 cm from a point of the concentric circle of radius 6 cm and measure its length. Children, what we have to do is, let me explain you here, then we'll do the construction. So what you need to draw is, you have to draw two circles of 4 centimeter and 6 centimeter, and they must be concentric. Concentric matlab same center. So let me take, first we'll draw, what we'll do, first we will draw a circle of 4 centimeter, right? Then we will draw a circle of, with the same center, I will draw a circle of radius 6 centimeter. Right, so I will be drawing a circle of radius 6 centimeter. Now what we are supposed to do? Now read the question. Now just see here, you have to construct a tangent to a circle of radius 4 centimeter. Means this circle, on this circle you are supposed to construct the tangent. From where? From a point on the concentric circle of radius 6 centimeter. Means anywhere from the outer circle, the bigger circle, I have to construct a tangent on this circle, right? So what we can do, we can select any point anywhere on the circle. So I can select anywhere, this point, any point. So I just take it here. So what would be the next step? Next step would be join it. So what we have to do is, first draw a circle of 4 centimeter and then again a 6 centimeter radius, and then you have to locate any one point from on the outer circle, and from there we have to draw the tangents, right? So we shall start with the construction. So what is the first step? First step is draw a circle of radius 4 centimeter, and same time we can just draw another circle of radius 6 centimeter. So first I will measure 4 centimeter on the scale, and then we will draw 4 centimeter and 6 centimeter. So this is your circle. So children, now I have joined point O and point P. Now next step would be bisect this point. So you remember how to bisect. So next step is to bisect. So how do we bisect? We'll open more than half. Join these two to get the midpoint. I call this midpoint as M. Now taking MP as radius, or you can take as well as MO. Why? Because it is the midpoint and both should be equal. Next step, from P, join the, you have got 2 points. This circle cuts the inner circle at 2 points. We just name them as Q and R. Now join PQ and PR. So children, next part of the question is measure its length and also verify the measurement by actual calculations. So let me measure this point. So this I am getting as, I can say I am getting around 4.5, and this side also I can measure, I am getting around 4.5, right? So what is the length I am getting? I am getting PQ and PR equal to 4.5 centimeter. Now we have to verify the measurement by actual calculations. So actual calculation, what does it mean? So actual calculation means, now we'll see, we'll join this point O and Q. We'll join the point OQ. Now look here. This OQ is the radius of inner circle. And what was the radius of inner circle? 4 centimeter. Now OP is the radius of outer circle. So what was the radius of outer circle? We have taken it as 6 centimeter, right? And you know that our tangent is perpendicular to the radius, correct? So for this circle, this is the radius and this is the tangent. So this should be 90 degree, correct? So we can use the Pythagoras theorem. So by using Pythagoras theorem, I can see that when using Pythagoras theorem, I can write that. What I can write? I can write, which is the hypotenuse? OP. So OP square is equal to OQ square plus OP or PQ, sorry. It is OP square is OQ square plus PQ square. Right. What we have found out? We have found out PQ. So PQ square will be equal to OP square minus OQ square, or PQ will be simply under root of OP square minus OQ square. Now we'll substitute the value under root of OP. OP is 6. 6 square is 36 minus OQ is 4. 4 square is 16. So it is coming as 36 minus 16 will be root 20. So we'll just find out what is the value of root 20. So PQ is 20. 20 means when you will factorize, it will be 2 tens are 2 5s are. So it means 2 root 5. Now the value of root 5 is approximately 2.236, and this will give you around 4.472 centimeters. So we have got it around 4.5, and this is 4.5 only if you round it off. So it is 4.5. So we have verified it by actual calculation.